Our trip down the Great Ocean Road led us to a small rural farming town of Allingamite North. With a last-minute booking on Airbnb, thanks to Kim, this was Attack of the Farm Animals.
Can't possibly be where we're staying, right?
I love it.
There's a nice TV.
This is so nice. Look at it. It's adorable. Oh my god. I love it.
So you walk into the couch, TV, living room area.
And we're going to enjoy our wine and spaghetti dinner here.
It's a little kitchen
We
area.
have a little toaster oven, a hot plate, everything you need.
Oh, microwave, freezer and fridge. Nice little kitchen space here with the sink. Toilet with no door. It's always good. Shower. Standard. There's a sink in the bedroom. And it's just out here in the middle of nowhere on this farm.
I love it. I love it here. I just want to live here. It's so cute.
A quick Google search for Allingamite North doesn't really show much, so we didn't know what to expect. But we had a good feeling we were about to get to know some real Australians. It turns out we were right. Our hosts Linda and Barry not only offered to let us sleep in their trailer, they also wanted to show us around the entire farm. And Linda said with any luck, we might finally find those Australian kangaroos we've been hoping to see.
They're quick.
They're real quick.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Well, when the fires went through, well, you can see all this got burnt and everything.
Yeah, you can see the bottom.
20 odd steers.
Oh my god.
So we went over in the bush, we brought them out. As we brought them out, there's about 60 kangaroos behind us.
Really?
Following us. The other option is for you to walk up
Yeah,
near
we'll try that.
I'll wait for you.
Yeah.
Walk up near that trough there.
Yeah.
And you might get a closer shot.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah, we're down.
You'll find the gate open on the right there,
Okay,
where that hay is, and just take your shots as you go.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure how close
long
you'll get.
Yeah. Thank you.
If they chase you, just run the other way.
After a quick kangaroo sighting, Barry stopped and asked us,
Do you get close to animals or not?
No, not really.
You want to get close to one? Oh, we'll go down and have a big one. I like this one.
Alright.
so off we went, across the farm to get close to unknown animals. What could go wrong? We quickly started to figure out exactly what we were about to get close to. Let's just say we started to get a little nervous. As we got further into the field, we started to pull up to the biggest cow we had ever seen.
What are you doing, big fella? You coming to pat it or?
Well, I don't know. You didn't tell me to. I didn't want to. I didn't want to spook him.
His nose is huge.
He's like, I don't know about this.
No.
These are new people.
I love the pet.
Oh my gosh, you're so big! Oh my god!
Told you he was about a ton.
Yeah, he's so. Okay, how do I pat him on his nose? You
Yeah,
don't
just
mind?
pat him on his head or whatever.
Oh my god!
See, he'll lick you because of the.
He's got a rough tongue.
Yeah, yeah. It's like
Really rough.
sandpaper.
Yeah.
He's kind of scary. He's so big.
He's huge.
And he doesn't care when people come up to him?
No, I'm about the only one that goes near him.
Well, now he's like,
'Cause
who the
Linda
heck
and
are
that-
these people?
Linda and that wouldn't even know he exists.
Oh my gosh, he's so...
He's bigger than
big,
this
yeah, he's
ATV that we came
huge.
in on.
Holy cow. Oh, and here comes the others. Is that okay?
He's getting a little closer.
Yeah, is it alright? I'm scared. They're so big. They're so big. This one might just try and eat the whole vehicle. That's scary.
Those horns only got to get you once.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Overall, the cows were pretty relaxed, and it was really cool seeing them up close. When we turned to leave, they did chase after us and attempt a mini stampede, but I think it was just for show, because Bear was able to scare them off pretty easy.
Stay there.
Oh my gosh,
Stay there. Go on.
they tried.
They tried their best.
One goat from the hot wire.
That one, the white face is dragging a little bit.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Thank you. I've never been that close to a cow, ever. Never.
Someone else, see you.
Yeah, thanks for having
Yeah,
me.
thanks for the ride. Got to see kangaroos and the cows.
Have a good weekend if we don't
Thank you.
All right.
Wow. That was something.
That was so...
We had successfully seen the Australian kangaroos. We had an unexpected encounter with giant cows. Now all that was left was to pack our bags, pack up the car, and hit the road. Next stop is Thailand. We drove to Melbourne, flew to Bangkok, flew to Chiang Mai, and then immediately started the 2.5 hour, insanely curvy, most nauseating bus ride of our lives. After a full 36 hours of travel, we finally arrived in Pai, Thailand, the land of night markets, street food, and motorbikes. We are ready.
Every mile on my mind leads to you. It leads to you. Every